So, hi Richa ji, it has been a journey with you. So, I want to know that how was your experience up to so far and how you are finding your journey of tarot and working and journaling and all the things that we are working upon.
Okay, so it's an interesting new concept of relating self-healing and learning to tarot guidance as well. Earlier, when I thought of it, since I didn't have that much of knowledge of how it was going to be used, I thought it was going to be more of somewhere a little bit of superstition may get involved of like do this way, do that thing, and all that kind of a thing. Like it comes from the astrology side and types as up.
Right.
But gratefully, it's been more of understanding and getting that guidance.
Hmm.
So it's also more related to the way I learn or understand things with the energy and vibe,
Yes.
and also the patterns of the lessons has been really good uh, and nudging me into a better feeling in the end of every class, and also having that perspective कि things are changing, and when they're changing it's for good, and what else I could do to make sure the changes are more stronger and keep me more loving and good human, that way.
Yes. So, how your perception shift, just before coaching and after coaching, what positive shifts you have seen within yourself by being into this journey?
Some more of clarity that's come uh, in terms of understanding few values that I hold dear, and also few lessons that I know have to act upon and let go also. So there sometimes on my own I was a little skeptical or thoughtful that maybe I'm being too harsh on myself or things like that. But then these lessons have given me that understanding that how it is relevant to whatever is happening in my life, or how I'm changing things, or why I'm doing things in a new way, and where it's taking me. So, how it's actually restoring my self love, as well as, aligning me to a better purpose in life.
Yes, yes, absolutely. And I have seen you growing. I've seen you coming up with insights and wonderful answers. So, what would be your message to all those who are skeptical to start their journey, who are not sure as of now also that, you know, ऐसा होता है ना कि that whether tarot is for them or not, or whether tarot can help them or not. So, what would you like to advise them who are new
Um,
into this?
So for that, it is that whenever we feel stuck, we do go for an advice, but we sometimes go to a family member or a friend or someone,
Yes.
and that's one way. But then, if you want really to have a shift in your life, I think this is a better way of doing it, where your complete focus is on aligning you as a person and believing in yourself, and not just solving a particular situation.
Yes, yes, yes. You have beautifully put forth that it's not only about solving one particular situation, but it is about your own inner alignment, and that will help you to sort the things in your life. Thank you so much, Richa, for sharing.